Hello, and welcome to Recipes with Ben. With the summer days heating up, I like to start my mornings with a nice glass of cold brew coffee. Now, I've previously made cold brew on this channel, but today I want to answer a very simple question. Does the temperature you steep the coffee at change the flavor? So for the experiment, I'll take two identical cold brews, but put one in the fridge overnight, and the second one will be left at room temperature to steep. And please stick around to the end of the video to see if there's a difference between these two. Now that these two are ready to taste, let's first start with the cold brew that was steeped in the fridge. For me, this one has a notably lighter body and is very smooth. Next, trying the room temperature cold brew. This one is a little bit fuller body. As you can see, it's a little bit darker in color as well. And its bitterness I would rate is somewhere between iced coffee and refrigerated cold brew. Now, cold brew is typically served over ice, so I'll add 3 ice cubes to each of them and give them a shake to cool it down. As we're retrying both of them, I still prefer the one that is steeped at room temperature, as this is just like personal preference. So my final thoughts on all of this is that if you like a smoother, lighter cup of coffee, then steep it overnight in the fridge. But if you're like me, you like a fuller-bodied, stronger flavor, leave that at room temp, and you'll get that experience. With that said, let me know down in the comments how you like your cold brew. And if any of this was helpful, smash that like button. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in that next video.